Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Motorola Moto G52 smartphone, and in this video we are going to show the top 5 tips for this device. So let's go ahead and start. In order for us to access the first and basically all the tips that are going to be shown in this video, we'll go ahead and open up the settings app. And the first feature that we would like to show you in this video is the fact that you can set your fingerprint as the screen lock method, or should I say the unlock method, on your device. In order to access this opportunity, you gotta open up the settings as I've mentioned before. Here go for the security category, and at the device security category, or should I say section, just tap on the fingerprint option. In prior of installing any biometrics, would it be the face or the fingerprint, the system requires us to decide, or should I say set, some backup unlock method as well, if it has not been set before. In my case it wasn't set. So the list of available options goes as follows: pattern, PIN or password. I'll go with pattern myself, choose what pattern I would like to use, and then confirm it. Next, we can basically choose what notifications content will be shown at the lock screen. And after that, we can go ahead and start enrolling the fingerprint. So the sensor is located on the side frame of your device, right at the power button. So let's go ahead and start enrolling the fingerprint by simply laying and lifting our finger onto the sensor. Make sure to slightly rotate your finger each time you lay it, so the full surface of it will be correctly scanned. So just lay and lift until the circle turns blue, basically, or should I say fully blue. Alrighty, as you can see, we have successfully added and enrolled our fingerprint. Let's go ahead and test it out and test how it works. Alrighty, so as you can see, I am successfully unlocking my phone with the fingerprint. Great success. So we are moving on to the second tip, which is the fact that you can set your face as well as the screen lock method. So let's go ahead and get back to the security category. Here, just go for the face unlock, confirm the pattern, or if you set, as it was for the fingerprint, if you are setting your first biometrics, the face, you'll also need to set up the pattern or the screen lock method. But in our case, we already did it, so there is no need for that. So basically just put your face inside this frame and scan it. I'll do it off the screen real quick. Already, our face gets scanned very quickly. So let's go ahead and test it out. As you can see, I'm locking my phone, and as soon as I align the selfie camera with my face, the screen gets successfully unlocked. So we are moving on to the third tip, which is the fact that you can change the screen refresh rate on this device. Basically just go to the display category of settings, and here locate the display refresh rate option. Here we have 2 screen refresh rate values to choose from and 3 options in general. So if you go for the 60 Hz, you'll get the better and longer battery life. If you choose the 19 Hz as it is chosen in my case, you'll get smoother and better looking animations and overall visual experience. You can also set the display refresh rate option to auto mode, so that will effectively mean that your system will automatically switch between these 2 values in accordance with the current state of the battery. So if your battery is not sufficient, it will lower down the screen refresh rate to 60 Hz, or if you have a lot of battery health left, it will go ahead and set it to 90 Hz. Alrighty, and the next tip, or should I say feature, that we wanted to share with you in this video is called Big Display, or as it is better known, it basically stands for the always on display. So here, if it is disabled, in your case, just turn on the switch, and let's go to settings and configure some of the options. So here we are able to choose what design we would like to go with. In my case, I'll, for example, choose this one. There are some very brief customizations to it as well. Basically, the single one that is animated background. I'll leave it at animated background, why not? And then just click on done. Here we can choose whether we want it to be activated once we tap at the lock screen. Once our screen is locked, I'll turn it on. Also, we can decide whether we want to feel some haptic feedback once we touch the big display, and some notifications configurations as well. So let's test it out. I'll lock the screen, tap on it, and as you can see, we have successfully called out for the always on or big display. Here we can see what time is it, what is the current battery state, day of the week, date, and some of the recent notifications. Alrighty, that was it for the big display, and we are moving on to the last feature that we were to share with you in this video. It is called Personalize, so let's go ahead and open it. And here, as you can see, you can change all kinds of things from layout, fonts and colors to font size and system theme. For example, we can choose some other font that we would like to use. Let's say I'll go with this one and apply it. And from now on, all the text elements will be in that particular and chosen font. We can decide the colors of our interface elements. So currently it's like bluish. We can make it green, for example. Or I guess there is the color picker that allows us to choose any color from the RGB palette. I'll leave it at, for example, I just want to get it green. Already, I'll leave it at this color. Why not? Actually, we gotta select it as well. So, just like that. And as you will see, our system has took on the green colors. There are also some other personalizations that you can play with, like icon shape, sounds, display size, font size, and system theme. So you can go ahead and play with this category of settings yourself and customize your theme to an extent that you really like it, and to an extent that the theme of your device will fit your personality. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.